Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about how to add Prometheus as a data source in Grafana. Alright, so I got Grafana opened already. So the first step is to go to data sources, add new data source, and look for Prometheus, and you can give the name of your Prometheus data source any name. So in my case, I'm sticking with Prometheus, and I can make this default, and I need to enter the Prometheus URL here, 1990. So I have Prometheus opened and working, so we can see that it's up. And let me just double check. So localhost colon 1990. Yeah, that's what I have here. Okay, and then go down below and save and test. And we can see that it was successfully added. So next is you can start to visualize data by building a dashboard or by querying data in the Explorer view. So that's what I'm going to do next. So add visualization, and I'm going to choose Prometheus, and I have a query here, or Prometheus query, PromQL query, that I can just copy and paste. So this is gonna give us the uptime of this Prometheus that I have here, which is running. So here in this section, so we can see that data source is Prometheus, and now we can choose code, and we can enter the query. And I'm going to choose, from this section, I'm going to choose stat. The panel title is Prometheus Uptime. You can just save dashboard. No, I said update, it should be uptime. Save dashboard, and the dashboard that I can give, the name of the dashboard could be Prometheus Uptime Monitoring. Save, back to dashboard. Now we see that Prometheus has been running for 21 minutes because that's what I have here. It's in minutes. All right, so we can see also that I was testing this earlier, that it was running before. There, save. Okay, so that's how you can add Prometheus as a data source, and that's how you can quickly create a dashboard to show the uptime of Prometheus. All right, so hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.